coś naprawić. Może da się coś zrobić. Nie wiem, coś naprawić.
Zapał nie wystyd.
Może da się coś zrobić.
Cześć, to ty prowoczeki. Najlepiej jak potrafisz.
Nie wiem, coś naprawić.
Walcz, by wygrywać.
Siemanko ludziska, dzisiaj tylko test muzyczny tego boomboxika. Jakbyście nie widzieli, to mam kilka odcinków już zrobione z tym boomboxem, jak go robię. A dzisiaj będzie tylko test muzyczny. Wszystkie w opisie linki będą do każdego filmu, jaki jest o tym boomboxie. A dzisiaj tylko muzyczki posłuchamy, także lecimy.
Come ride, DKNY, all up in my eye. You got a product, bag with a lot of stuff. Yeah, give it to the real, let's spin. Everybody looking at me, blessing the kid. Wishing they was dancing the kid with this handsome kid. Singing cigar, like people who buy, just bite it. Enjoy the look, I don't like it. Ill way to hand me on the hand, stay on play. Give it up, Tiki, make it feel like foreplay. Yo, my cardio is infinite. Aha, Big Willie Styles all in it. Getting jiggy with it.
Regulators. You regulate any stealing of his property. We're damn good, too. But you can't be any geek off the street. Gotta be handy with the steel, if you know what I mean. Earn your keep.
Regulators! Mount up!
It was a clear black night, a clear white moon. Warren G was on the streets trying to consume some skirts for the E, so I could get some phones. Rolling in my ride, chilling all alone.
Just hit the east side of the LBC on a mission trying to find Mr. Warren G. Seen a car full of girls, ain't no need to tweak. All of you search know what's up with 213.
So I hooked select on 21 and Lewis, some brothers shooting dice. So I said, let's do this. I jumped out the ride and said, what's up? Some brothers pulled some gas, so I said, I'm
Since these girls peeping me, I'm gonna glide and swerve. These hookers looking so hard, they straight hit the curve. Want to bigger, better things than some horny tricks. I see my homie and some suckers all in his mix.
I'm getting jacked, I'm breaking myself. I can't believe they taking Warren's wealth. They took my rings, they took my Rolex. I looked at the brother, said, damn, what's next?
They got my homie hemmed up and they all around. Can't none of them see him if they going straight pound for pound. They wanna come up real quick before they start to clown. I best pull out my strap and lay them busters down.
They got guns to my head, I think I'm going down. I can't believe it's happening in my own town. If I had wings, I would fly, let me contemplate. I glance in the cut and I see my homie Nate.
16 in the clip and 1 in the hole. Nate Dogg is about to make some bodies turn cold. Now they dropping and yelling, it's a tad bit late. Nate Dogg and Warren G had to regulate.
Someone on the side.
I na koniec Ricky James.
Don't be so hard to get. Cause I will get you yet.
Don't be so hard to get, baby, baby. Don't be so hard to get, baby, baby.
Girl, you're loose, you're tight, you're black and even white. You have a rainbow sex appeal. And when we dance, romance, you give me such a chance to get the kind of love that no man ever has to steal. Hey! Don't be so hard to get. Cause I will get you yet. Keep on running, babe. Why you running, babe? Stop your running, yeah. You keep on running, babe. Why you running, babe? Be so hard to get, girl. Don't be hard to get, hard to get. Hey, hey, hey! so hard.
Dobra ludziska, trzymajcie się, do następnego odcinka.